Everyone, my name is Sushant from Logical Bee. In this video, I will show you and teach you something about Git. Git is a version control software which is used to keep track of your code for the development purpose of your software, anything you want to develop, web applications like that. It will keep track of your all the code, how you changes, what changes you made, like that. Okay, friends. It is also useful to synchronize your code with your different peoples and your colleagues and test the changes to code without losing your original data. Okay, friends. Let's get started. To use Git for your code and managing the code and how to deploy your code on your GitHub server. I will show you in this all the topic in 15 to 20 minutes video. Okay, friends. First of all, what is Git? Git is a version control tool. You can call it as a version control software also, used to collaborate your code with your friends and colleagues and keep track of all the changes of your code in one shot. Okay, friends, you can easily understand by completing this video. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, friends. Git is also used for synchronize your code with your different people. As you all know, what is GitHub? GitHub is a website. It's a web-based software which is used to deploy your code to and collaborate with your friends and colleagues. Okay, friends, I will show you the github.com website. Okay, this is my GitHub profile, and first of all, to use the Git, you need to create your repository to your GitHub profile. You can easily create your GitHub profile free. Okay, friends. I'm going to create my directory here, new repository, and I will keep the repository name as Git tutorials, tutorials. Okay, friends, and description. I will keep description as a test. Okay, friends, and this is public and create repository. Now you will get some information about your Git repository, and this is a Git URL. Okay, friends. Now you have to you have a command called git clone. Okay, friends. Git clone is a command which is used to uh, get that Git repository Git repository to your system. I will show you the example for this. I will enter clone git clone and URL. URL is what? URL is this one. You will get the information from the GitHub repository. This is the URL, and copy and paste that URL into your command line. I'm cloning the GitHub Git tutorials to your system. Now it will give the info warning called you appear to be a cloned and empty repository, because I have created an empty repository, so that it will give the error here. Now I will create a file into my repository, so that I will move on to the repository cd git tutorials. Okay, friends, and now I will create a one file called test, so that I will move on to the folder, and here is a git tutorial folder repository, and I will create one uh, file. For that I will use sublime text here. This is my sublime text. You can use atom, anything, maybe anything you want to be. Okay, friends, I will create one html file. html head. I will save it as test.html. I will move this file to my directory. This is my directory. Later on I will move this. I will save it in my folder downloads. So friends, uh, HTML. Okay friends, and I will title it as Git tutorials. Git tutorials. Okay, and in this body I will enter some text here. H1 tag. Hello world. Hello world. Friends, I will save this and I will move on to the download folder and move this file to my what directory? Sushant. Where is my directory? Tutorials, and move this file into the test. Okay, friends, I have successfully created the file. Now I will add the this file to my Git, so that I will add the command which is git add git add file name. File name is what? Test.html. It will successfully add that file, and I will commit that file changes to in my Git repository, so that I will type the command git commit -m hyphen m, and I will give the message new file created. New file is has been created. Okay, I will enter this. Now here you can see one file changed and 11 insertion will be appeared in my this file, and this is the ID of this file now. Okay friends, now you can see this command. By using this command, or it will change, it will keep track of all the changes. So I will type the command as a git status to check the current status of your repository. Okay friends, I will enter it. See that nothing is committed, working tree is clean, and your branch is the origin master. Okay friends, now next, uh, if you want to change that committed file to your GitHub repository, so that I will show you the GitHub repository. Here you have empty file code. I will show you. Here you have a empty file, no file is has been appeared here. So that if you want to push that uh, send that files to your GitHub repository, so you can enter the command push. So you have a command like push. So I will enter the push command here, git push. Okay friends, I will enter. It will, all the files will be uh, entered to your GitHub repository. So I will enter the username here, GitHub username uk@com, and password is fatal. I will push. I think the password is invalid. See, the all the files has been appear in the sent already sent to the GitHub repository here. So you can see your file here. Refresh the your GitHub repository. See the test .html file will be created here. Okay friends, this is the basics of Git. Now one more command you have, git log. Git log is used to list the all the commits you have made. Okay friends, first of all I will uh, commit some changes here in my file. Okay, so that I will uh, get that file from my repository. So that it's fine, I will directly move that file. Okay, downloads and test.html. I will commit changes here. One more hello world, hello world. Okay friends, I will save that file and I will move that file to the in my test, no test downloads, test control C and my tutorials control V and replace it. Okay friends, now I will git add file name test.html. File has been created, and now commit the changes. Commit git commit -m and new row has been added. New line is added. New line is added. This is the message what you have changes made. Uh, Friends, now here we can see uh, one file is changed and one insertion and one deletion. Okay friends, so I will push that changes into my git push GitHub repository. Yes, now I will one more I have said one more command is git log, git log, which is used to list all the commits you have made. Git log here. First of all, I have made here one commit and a new line is added, and one more is a new file is created. As you can see here, this is the all the commits you have made will be listed here by using the command git log. Now one more command is git reset. Git reset is used to do what? If you have mess up with any one file and if you want to roll back to your and roll back to your previous file, so you can use that command as a git reset, and this your original commit is this one, and you can use reset git reset and the file commit id. You can copy and paste this id. Before that, minus hard minus hard, this is the command, and which is the paste here, and see, now at your the new file is created. You can see that, and new refresh this page. Hello world and hello world. See that changes. Okay, so what is my file? Okay friends, that's it to get basic information about Git. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.